Hi mga kasoldering! So for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay mini magnifying lamp with LED light with clear optical glass LT86D LED COG. So guys, i-unbox natin siya. So guys, ito ang ating mini magnifying lamp LT86D LED COG. So ayan siya guys. Ayan yung glass niya. Ito yung kanyang on and off. Tapos, ito yung kanyang ilalim. So, try natin siyang isaksak. Is nakasaksak na siya. Try natin siyang i-on. Ayan guys. So, what is the use of mini magnifying lamp LT86D? The LT86D mini magnifying lamp is a desk-mounted magnifier with a built-in light. It is used for tasks that require seeing small details clearly by combining magnification and illumination in one device. And mechanisms, maps, documents, and fine text, crafts and hobbies, model building, miniature painting, sewing, embroidery, and other precision work. 5 times to 10 times depending on the version. Work area. Adjustable arm to position the lens where needed. Glass lens with a protective cover. The typical specification of the LT86D mini magnifying lamp are specification, model, LT86D, magnification 10 times. Some versions are marketed as 5 times with a higher power inset lens. Lens, dual circular lens, main lens plus small inset lens. So guys, ito yung small inset lens. Main lens, diameter 90 mm. Inset lens, diameter 12 mm. Light source, LED ring, LED power 12 watts. Power supply 220 volts, AC 50 to 60. Some USB powered version are also exist. Dimensions approximately 17 by 15 by 27 cm. Color usually white or black. Features: adjustable angle, built-in LED illumination, compact desk design, clear optical lens. Common uses. Number 1. PCB and electronics inspection. Number 2. Soldering and rework. Number 3. Jewelry repair and inspection. Number 4. Watch repair. Number 5. Reading fine print. Number 6. Crafts, embroidery, and model make. Number 7. Laboratory and precision assembly work. Guys, i-open natin yung light. Tapos try natin tignan tong PCB board. Ayan siya, guys. Nakita. Sorry, baliktad. Ayan siya, guys. Kitang-kita yung mga ano. So guys, kita yung maliliit na. So guys, makikita nyo yung mga maliliit na piyesa. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Yan ang ating LT86D LED COG. Ayan siya, guys. Kitang-kita nyo naman siya, diba, guys? So, yun lang, guys. Close na natin siya. So, guys, ito ang ating mini magnifying lamp with LED light. So, guys, meron kaming stock. We have many stocks po ng aming mini magnifying lamp with LED light, LT86D LED COG. So guys, ayun lang. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.